You stress an object, you repeatedly stress that object, and over time, can you predict when it's going to fail, when it's going to break? The odd thing on that stress strain curve, though, is we all have healing factors, something that we can't do on airplanes and a lot of products that are non-biomaterial. And so we have to take that into context, but wearing the exoskeleton, can that augment us in such a way that we're not necessarily enhancing strength, but we're enhancing time until failure? And so looking at it from that context, you're prolonging the effect so that you can expose yourself to that risky work, those awkward postures, but then essentially allow you to do it longer before you end up getting hurt. And hopefully you'll be done working before you even get to that failure point. So that's where exoskeletons potentially can take us. It's allowing us to use it like a PPE device, a personal protective equipment device, to allow us to be in that exposure a little bit longer.